as you can see, guys, the C5 is officially back from being cammed. Now, unfortunately, it is raining right now, so we're not going to be able to drive the car, but I'm still going to let you guys hear how it sounds and also catch you guys up on a few other things. Now, the cam that I installed on my 03 Corvette right here was a BTR Stage 3 cam. These 3 boxes are all old parts off of the C5 that the shop gave back to me. As you can see, we replaced pretty much all of the gaskets, the lifter trays even. We got LS7 lifters. We got all new rockers with the trunnion upgrade. I believe it's like trunnion, onion, something like that upgrade for the rockers. And a new timing set. Literally almost everything in the motor was refreshed except for the bottom end. And of course, I got a new harmonic balancer from Summit Racing for the C5, because if you know anything about C5s or C6s, you know that the harmonic balancers like to just separate and then come flying off the car randomly. The stock ones are just really bad, so I got a Summit Racing one, so we never have that issue again. Now, my C5 currently has a super cheap and simple build. We have a SLP cold air intake, the factory throttle body, factory intake manifold, a BTR Stage 3 cam. We have long tube headers, and then a catback. So really just a bolt-on car. And now we're gonna climb up in here so you guys can hear what a cold start sounds like. Let me tell you, this cam definitely woke up this car. I don't know why, but it seems like the car is way louder with the cam installed. And look at the shifter, dude. That is just awesome. Literally just sitting there rocking back and forth. Oh, man. Now, the C5 was street tuned, so I literally have no idea how much power it's making to the wheels right now. But we are going to have a dyno day pretty soon, because I want to get the C8 up on the dyno, and obviously I want to get the C5 up on the dyno just to figure out how much power these cars are actually making. Now, since the C5 is making a lot more power with the new cam, and the tires that are on this thing are nearly 9 years old, and they're just simply not safe to drive on, I went ahead and ordered some new tires. And since I'm a big fan of Nitto, as we have Nitto NT05s on the C8, I obviously ordered some more Nitto tires. Now, on the front of the C5, we're going to be running Nitto NT55 G2s, and then on the rear of this car, we're going to be running Nitto NT05s, just like on the C8. And for the final update, we're coming over to the C8. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a little while, you'll know that I have had some side skirts for the C8 just laying in the garage for like 4 months. I've been waiting for a chance to put them on. Well, I have finally had the chance to actually put these things on. And honestly, I don't know why I waited so long to put these things on. They were super easy. All you have to do is drill a few holes in the bottom of the car and then put some rivets up. And that's pretty much it. And dude, it changes the entire side profile of the car so much. And let me see if it's unlocked. It is. I mean, it just looks awesome. Look at that. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And get ready for the C8 versus C5 race coming soon.